151, send us a 24, possible overdose. You okay? You alright?
That's what it is.
151, this is for an officer, roll a 24. What is that? What is that you have?
Where? I have nothing.
No. In the car, what is that?
She called it ICER. I swear to God, that's what she called it.
Fentanyl in it?
Not that I know of.
Okay, well, we have an officer having an effect right now. There's no fentanyl not in it?
Please don't tell me nothing like that.
He called...
Please.
Stop. It's called ICER?
That's what she called it. I swear that's what she called it. ICER.
What is it? What's the then that's the generic name. What is it? Meth?
It's supposed to be meth. She said meth and ice.
Meth and ice.
152, do we have a medic on the way?
No.
Okay, it's for an officer, possible exposure to fentanyl or something.
I'm getting my... You got yours out? All right, relax. Hey, take this. Take it. All right, load it up.
Hey, help me with it.
Hold on. Go ahead. So there's the picture.
Okay, so...
Insert white cone into nostril. All right, that's too far. Load it.
This just screws in,
What was the exposure?
Does this purple part come off? Yeah.
Take it off. 3.
Is there a car on scene that can advise what the 49A is?
Let her know we don't know.
Possible meth, we're not sure.
You want to do it yourself?
No, he's doing it. You do it. Come here. One in each nostril.
Copy.
Is it going in?
You gotta screw it in.
Okay.
There it goes. It just squirted out. Squirted it out. Suck it up, Kane. Suck it up that nostril.
Yeah, I'm going all this.
You're good. 151, NARCAN administered.
Copy.
Glove up.
Yeah, I've already got gloves on.
That's
You
15,
good?
copy that.
You just do it.
That's 15, copy.
Kane, lean out this way if you can, buddy.
You want to get out and just sit on the floor?
Get him. Give me another gun. Or glove. Give me another glove.
Here's head. Here.
Okay. Give me another glove.
Getting it out.
You're all right. Calm down.
Yep.
Help's on the way, buddy. You're all right.
Put him on his side. Put his head on his side at least.
You all right?
Side, yeah.
Take some deep breaths, buddy. Watch rolling on your head.
You can clear the female first because I'm heading up there.
Copy, you want to wait here quick?